Dear student, today we are going to start a new chapter, probability. Now, what is the meaning of probability? Probability, a thing which can happen. Suppose we have a coin and we want to toss the coin. In tossing a coin, we have two cases. It can be head or it can be tail. So this is the possibility. Possibility, a thing that can happen, is the probability. Now in our chapter, this thing we want to find out. We have some cases, suppose like if we have a coin, second case if we have a die. So according to these conditions, we have different cases. First is we have a formula. So what is the formula to find out the probability? In case of a probability, first always we find out the total number of cases, and according to these cases there are some favorable cases. So what is the meaning of favorable cases? Favorable cases means the cases which are in our favor, or the value which we want to find out. The cases which are in our favor are favorable cases. Suppose, now come to the topic. If we want to toss a coin, now we have two cases, head and tail. In case of a coin, we have only these two cases, head and tail. Suppose we want to find out a probability. Find a probability that we obtain tail. Okay, we obtain tail. So in this case, first tell me how many total cases we have. Total cases is equal to 2, because one is head and one is tail. Only these cases can occur in case of a single coin. So total cases is equal to 2. And now which probability we want to find out that we obtain tail? So how many cases of tail is there? Only one cases of tail. So how many favorable cases we have? So favorable cases is equal to 1. Is it clear? So what is the meaning of favorable cases? The cases which are in our favor. So that's why in this case, in this question, we want to find out the probability of tail. So cases in which we obtain tail are the favorable cases. And in these cases, this is the only single case. This is the only one that we got tail. So how many favorable cases? 1. So probability of this event, let us suppose if we denote this event by E, then probability is equal to favorable cases divided by total cases. So this is the formula to find out the probability. First is favorable cases divided by total cases. Now how many favorable cases we have? 1. Probability of E is equal to 1 and total cases 2. So probability to finding out the tail is 1 by 2. And similarly, if we want to find out probability of head, in this case also, if we denote probability of head by H, then probability of head is equal to, again tell me, how many favorable cases of head we have? Only single case of favorable cases, 1, and the total cases 2. Again, what is the probability? 1 by 2. And in this case, both events are equally likely events. Now, what is the meaning of equally likely? Now, come to this value. Equally likely events. In this case, the events which can equally, it means in case of a coin, when we toss a coin, head can occur or tail can occur. So both cases are equally likely. So that's why this type of events are equally likely event. Suppose we have a die. When we throw a die, how many cases we have? 6 cases. Because we know that on a die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These total cases we have 6 total cases. And if suppose we want to find out the probability that we obtain 2. So how many favorable cases we have? Only a single case. So 1 divided by 6. If we want to find out the probability of 1, that we obtain 1. Again, how many 1 we have? Only 1 we have. Single one. So that's why 1 divided by 6. So it means all cases are equally likely events. बंद हो गया अपने आप. Now in case of a die, we have 6 total cases, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. And if suppose here we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the total cases. In case of a die, total cases 6. And if we want to find out the probability that we obtain 3, it means favorable case. How many 3 we have? Only one 3 we have. So again, what will be the probability? Probability of 3 is equal to 1 by 6. And always we denote it by a letter. Let us suppose this probability we denote it by capital E. So that's why in this case probability of E is 1 by 6. And in each case, can we say that always we obtain 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6? So in each case, we obtain same probability. So that's why again here all these events are equally likely events. So this is the meaning of equally likely event. Now we obtain here two conditions. First is the definition. What is the meaning of probability? And next one is the formula of probability. What is the formula of probability? Probability of E is favorable cases divided by total cases. And next definition is equally likely events. Equally likely events are the events when we have in each case same probability. It can be occur any case, then these cases are favorable, or we can say that equally likely events. Okay. Now come to next.